everyone, welcome back to day 9 of our 30 days Python challenge. We know that loops help us to repeat code, but what if you want to stop a loop early or if you want to skip one particular iteration and continue with the rest? That is where two important Python keywords comes in, break and continue. Let's start with break. The break statement is used when we want to stop a loop immediately. Look at this example. When I run this code, the output is 1, 2, 3, 4. You might be wondering why didn't Python print numbers from 5 to 10? Let's understand. Our loop starts with 1, it prints 1, 2, 3 and 4. When the number becomes 5, the condition becomes true. If number equals to 5, then Python executes break. Break tells Python stop this loop immediately. So the entire loop ends. That's why we only see 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can remember it simply like this. Break is equal to stop the loop. Now let's learn about continue. Continue works differently. Instead of stopping the entire loop, it only skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. Look at this example. Here the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, right? 1, 2, 4, 5. Notice something. The number 3 is missing. When number becomes 3 or condition becomes true, Python executes continue and that means skips this iteration and move to the next one. So Python skips 3 but the loop doesn't not stop. It continues with 4 and 5. So remember, break stops the entire loop and continue skips only the current iteration. So check this simple code here. This is the easiest way to remember the difference. Break means continue, continue means skip it and keep going. Now let's create a simple program using break. Imagine we want to Python to search for number 3. Once Python finds it, there is no reason to continue searching. So we can use break here and output will be looking like this. When Python reaches to 7, it prints number found. The break immediately stops the loop. This is a common idea in real programs. Once we found that we were searching for, we can stop searching. And here is your day 9 Python challenge. Print numbers from 1 to 10 but skip the number 5. Your output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tomorrow on day 10 we are going to learn one of the most powerful concepts in Python. So let's wait for the next episode. Thank you.